Once upon a time, a mother lived with her son in a village. Once, on the day of Bhai Dooj, the son asked his mother if he could go to his sister's house to celebrate the festival. The mother said, "All right, go." The brother set out from his house to meet his sister. He found a river on the way. The river said to him, "I will drown you." The brother said to the river, "Today, on the day of Bhai Dooj, I am going to meet my sister. She must be waiting for me. You just let me go. When I come back from there, then you drown me." The river accepted his offer and let him go. After going a little further, he found a snake. The snake said, "Psst, I will bite you." The brother repeated what he told the river to the snake. "Today, on the day of Bhai Dooj, I am going to meet my sister. She must be waiting for me. You just let me go. When I come back from there, then you bite me." He moved further on to the way to his sister's house and had to cross a dense forest. While he was crossing the dense forest, a roaring lion blocked his path and told him, "Stop right there. Your end has come. Today I will eat you." He also asked the lion to spare him for a day to visit his sister's house and said, "When I come back from my sister's house after getting the tilak, then you can eat me." The lion also spared his life and let him go. Eventually, he reached his sister's house after pledging his life to the lion, the snake, and the river. Seeing her brother come home, the sister was very happy and made the brother sit and made a dish for him. The brother enjoyed the food made by his sister after receiving the tilak from her and slept for a while. In the evening, the brother said to his sister, "Sister, now I will go back home. You pack something for me to eat on the way." The sister packed food and laddus for her brother. Sometime after the brother's departure, the sister's children insisted on eating the remaining laddus, and so she gave them to her children. The children saw that there are thorns in the laddu and informed their mother. The sister got worried. It seemed like thorns had accidentally come into the laddu flour while making it, and there was a risk of her brother's mouth being cut terribly after eating those laddus. She immediately followed her brother along with her children. On the way, she saw her brother resting under a tree. She asked her brother whether he had eaten the laddus or not. Her brother replied that he hadn't and handed her the packet full of laddus. The sister told the brother all about the thorns in the laddus. The brother hugged the sister and said, "Sister, you have saved my life this time, but on the way, I have pledged my life to 3 creatures. Who will save my life from them?" On the sister's request, the brother told her everything about the snake, the lion, and the river. The sister asked her brother to stay at her house that night and return the next morning. Thinking that his end was near, the brother agreed to stay one night with his sister. The next day, when the brother started leaving, his sister and nephews also joined him. On the way to the forest, when the lion came forward to eat the brother, the sister threw a piece of meat in front of him. The lion ate the meat and lost his appetite. He did not eat the brother. On going further, the snake slithered in front of them. Seeing the snake, the nephews called him their maternal uncle and put a cup of milk in front of him. The snake drank the milk and let everyone go. Upon going further, the river started to swell to submerge them. Seeing this, the sister covered the river with the sheet she brought with her, which calmed the river. Thus, the sister saved